Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am diving into a super fun and trendy topic, gesture editing using Capcut. Whether you want to create engaging videos without showing your face or just want to explore some cool editing technique, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right in. Section 1. What exactly is faceless editing? It's all about creating captivating content without showing your face. This technique is great for those who prefer to stay behind the camera or simply want to focus on visuals and storytelling. Section 2. Setting up Capcut. Alright, let's get started with Capcut. If you have not downloaded it yet, it is available for free on both iOS and Android. Once you have opened it, let's create a new project. Tap on New Project and select your clips. This could be stock footage, B-roll or any visuals you want to use. Section 3. Editing Basics. Now that we have our clips, let's dive into some basic editing techniques. Here are 3 key steps. First, cutting clips. Use the scissor tool to trim your clips down to the most engaging part. Remember, less is more. Second, adding transition. To make a video flow smoothly, add transition between clips. Tap on the transition icon and choose one that fit your style. I love using fade or slide transition for a polished look. Third, text and titles. Since we are keeping it faceless, text is crucial. Tap on text and add your titles or captions. Play around with fonts and animation to keep it visually appealing. Make sure it is easy to read. 4. Keyframing. Keyframing is a very important part of the editing. You can say it is very important part of faceless editing. Keyframing in Capcut is very easy. Keyframing allows you to create smooth animations and transition with your clips. Here is how to do it. First, select your clip. Start by tapping on the clip you want to animate. You will see a keyframe button. Tap on it. Second, add keyframe. Move the playhead to the point where you want to start your animation. Tap the keyframe button to see your first keyframe. Now move the playhead to where you want the animation to end and adjust the clip position. A new keyframe will be created automatically. Preview and adjust. Hit play to preview your animation. You can adjust the timing by moving the keyframe closer or farther apart. This will speed up or slow down the animation, giving you more control over the flow of your video. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different animations like zooming in or text or sliding an image across the screen. This adds a professional touch and keeps your audience engaged. Section 5. Adding voiceovers and musics. Next up, let's add a voiceover. You can record directly in Capcut by tapping on audio and then record. Speak clearly and keep your tone engaging. This is where your personality comes through without showing your face. Don't forget to add some background music. Section 5. Final touches and exporting. Let's add some final touches. Use filter to enhance your visuals and consider editing stickers or animation for extra flair. Once you are happy with your edits, it's time to export. Tap on the export button and choose your setting and export your video and upload where you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what type of videos you are planning to create. Don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.